name's Keandra. I'm about to do a video. Hey you guys, it's me Keandra and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I make videos about almost anything I want to make a video about, but today's video is going to be an unboxing video and I will be unboxing my brand new Canon G7X Mark II. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm just going to tell you guys why I got a new camera. I am currently shooting on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I do shoot with the Nikon D7200, but that's just for pictures. The video quality is pretty good, but I just can't get down with the autofocus. So I have my eye on this camera for some time now. It's been on sale since like March, and I just kept looking. I kept looking. I'm like, should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? So I finally got this camera. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Here's the box. Let's open it up. Here's a paper to register your camera. What is this? Limited warranty paper. Here's a manual. I definitely need to read this because I don't really know too many things about Canon because I have a Nikon. Here is the camera. So excited. I already put the memory card and the battery in because I mean I couldn't do anything without these two things. So just gonna close that up. Try not to touch the screen to get fingerprints. Here's the camera. Here's the back. I'm gonna turn it on. So it does have the flip out screen, which I'm super excited about. Flip out screen. So I am going to attempt to record something. Oh, I need to switch it to video. So, I mean, I didn't change the settings or anything. So I'm just going to press record. So here's the
this is what the quality looks
like. I think this quality is good. Like
stuff.
Here's the iPhone 11 quality. Try to do
Let's see how it focuses.
Don't get too close. You start seeing everything when you get too close. So
this is what the quality looks like. I'm just gonna,
I did not touch any of the settings. Like I just turned it on video and then I just pressed record. So here's what it's looking like. Here's me, Kiki B. Kiki B is my rap name, y'all. One day I'm gonna put out a song just because my name is Kiki B. It's me, Kiki B. Nah, but I just wanted to show you guys the quality. Let's get some stuff. There's a K. Ooh, whoop, gotta organize that. So yeah, this is what we looking like. This is what we doing. This is how we do it. So hopefully I get familiar with like this camera so I can start shooting with it ASAP. So that concludes the unboxing video. If you guys have any recommendations, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Any camera settings, any accessories, anything that you would recommend me for using this camera, feel free to let me know, or you can hit me up on Instagram at Keandra Arshawn. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.